Emma. How are you today?
Hi, Jack. I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am good too. I want to practice asking for help in English today.
That is a great idea. Many people need help in daily life.
Yes, sometimes I feel shy to ask.
That is normal. But asking politely is very important.
Can you teach me how to ask for assistance?
Of course. Let us start with a simple situation.
Okay, I am lost. I do not know where the bus stop is.
You can say, "Excuse me, can you help me?"
Excuse me, can you help me?
Very good. Then you can say your problem clearly.
Excuse me, can you help me? Where is the bus stop?
Perfect. You can also say, "Could you please tell me where the bus stop is?"
Could you please tell me where the bus stop is?
That sounds polite and nice.
I feel more confident now.
Confidence is important when speaking.
What if I am in a store and need help?
You can start with, "Excuse me," again.
Excuse me, can you help me find this product?
Good. You can also say, "I am looking for."
I am looking for a bottle of water.
Very clear and easy to understand.
Excuse me, I am looking for a bottle of water. Can you help me?
Excellent sentence.
How about asking a friend for help?
You can be more casual, but still polite.
Emma, can you help me with my homework?
Yes, of course. That is a good example.
Emma, could you please explain this lesson to me?
That is very polite and respectful.
I like using could you please.
It sounds very friendly.
What about at work?
At work, you should always be polite and clear.
Excuse me, could you please help me with this report?
That is perfect for the workplace.
I do not understand this task. Can you show me how to do it?
Very good. You are explaining your problem clearly.
I want to practice directions.
Okay. Imagine you are in a new city.
Excuse me, could you please tell me how to get to the train station?
That is a very good sentence.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Always say thank you.
Emma, sometimes I do not know how to start my sentence.
Start with, "Excuse me," or "Sorry to bother you."
Sorry to bother you, but can you help me?
That is very polite.
Sorry to bother you, but I need assistance.
Great. That sounds very respectful.
What if I am in a hospital?
You can say, "Excuse me, I need help."
Excuse me, I need help. I feel sick.
Very clear. Doctors will understand.
Can you please call a nurse for me?
That is a very useful sentence.
Phone calls are difficult for me.
You can keep it simple.
Hello, can you help me with my account?
Very good.
I am having a problem. Can you assist me?
That sounds professional. Let us repeat slowly.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Good. Again.
Could you please help me with this?
Excellent. One more time.
Sorry to bother you, but I need assistance.
Perfect pronunciation.
Thank you for helping me, Emma.
You are welcome, Jack.
Now I feel more comfortable asking for help in English.
That is great. Practice every day.
I will practice slowly and clearly.
Slow speech is good for learning.
Hello, Emma. I am at the train station. I do not know where platform 3 is.
You can ask the staff.
Excuse me, could you please tell me where platform 3 is?
Very good. And then what?
Thank you for your assistance.
Perfect. You are doing very well.
Today I learned many ways to ask for assistance.
Yes, you can say, "Excuse me, can you help me? Could you please assist me?" Sorry to bother you, but I need help. Can you show me how to do this?
These sentences are easy to remember.
That is the goal for beginners.
I will keep practicing every day.
And you will improve step by step.
Thank you, Emma, for your patience.